Automated testing solves problems by removing manual dependency and errors in testing, making testing consistent, and it adds values to the organization by saving cost. However, automation testing development with existing automation tools in the market is a complex business. It ends up having more problems than solutions, be it their cumbersome setup, or require specialized technical knowledge, or expensive licenses, or being heavy on your resources. Be it open-sourced solutions or licensed tools, both have these problems. The answer is BotPlay, an intelligent, codeless, portable, easy-to-use automation testing bot that anyone can use to automate testing on the web application. That's absolutely no coding or programming skills required to automate your functional testing or web processes or web scraping. We ensure you get 4x faster automation development on all web applications with 80% less maintenance and possible integration with continuous integration tools. We have created a bot that understands your instructions in your language and provides you flexible subscription options. This is BotPlay Automation, a unique codeless automation testing SaaS platform, let you automate the testing on web applications without writing and maintaining any code. With BotPlay, anyone can automate. Visit botplayautomation.com to start for free.